以下共享今日主题：生与死同一连线。首先共享生理时钟与地球同一脉动。2017年3位诺贝尔医学奖得主 Jerry Hall、Michael Rosbash 以及 Michael Young 针对生物钟进行探究，并成功解密其内在运作机制。他们的发现圆满解释植物、动物和人类是如何适应自身的生物节律，而且包括人类在内的其他多细胞生物命体，其生物钟都是同一个运作机制。原来我人生前肉体内的生理时钟 Circadian Clock 又称生物钟，是与地球的转动分秒保持同步的脉动。以下共享量子灵魂说不死灵魂。量子灵魂 Quantum Computer with Consciousness 由2020年英国物理学诺奖得主的 Penrose 与美国亚利桑那大学意识研究中心的 Stuart Hameroff 医师共同提出了量子灵魂观。两人主张，当神经元 neuron 的微导管 microtubule 内的临时的量子有序状态消失，则临时被迫离开肉体，重返宇宙波函数的能量场，但大脑整体的信息并未被破坏。可见大脑信息是被完整记录下来的，只是精神性的临时失去有序的量子状态，因而被迫离开物质性的肉体而已。因此一旦当事人再度投胎转世成功，则被第八阿赖耶识记录下来的大脑信息将被完整投入全新的肉体躯壳，因而形成所谓命运三世说，过去时、现在时与未来时。量子灵魂理论教导世人认知，死亡只不过是生命的转换点，以及生命因为量子失序状态，因而被迫离开肉体而已，是轮回转世成功既有的大脑信息继续进入全新的肉体，展开全新的一期生命。一言之，量子有序与否是轮回转世的关键重点。以下共享圣玄结论：生与死未曾舍离。上述电子灵魂的发现有助于进一步厘清生物钟的奥秘，指出原来生者所处的空间与宇宙是分秒连线的同一脉动。至于生死的判准，则在于神经元内临时是否呈现量子有序状态。至于生死之间，临时所记录我人造作行为的能量，则是未曾中断过。可见生与死未曾舍离之援引经典如下：论语子罕，子曰：逝者如斯夫，不舍昼夜。孔子感叹时光飞逝，世间无常的生与死是不分昼夜的，因为生死本来就是同一连线。一言之，我人唯一必须重视者就是当下。然而何谓当下？当下并非现在，也不是这一刻。当下意指超越时间与空间的束缚，超越时间与空间的不二法宝就是不二中道 Non-duality middle way。 所谓不二中道，不只强调宇宙万象来自同一本源，同步允许现象界千差万别相的存在，据此彰显现象界与终极本质之间无二无别的一如平等性 oneness。 一言之，不二中道述说生死未曾舍离，只是同源中的互异，也是超越中的超越。因此最大化的高频共振融摄，也是转化生命困顿的高金王牌。众生诸苦来自同一本源，只是内心不同执念的投射而已，实非真有，是为真空同源中的妙有互异。觉期轩永远走在时代魅力前沿，即日起全面双语播出，用心教会全球每一位读者。觉期轩是众生的直灯引路人。Let's share today's topic, Life and Days, Two Sides of the Coin. Let's share Circadian rhythm in sync with the Earth. In 2017, the three Nobel laureates in medicine, Jerry Hall, Michael Rosbash, and Michael Young, conducted innovative research on the circadian clock and successfully decoded its underlying mechanism. Their discoveries comprehensively explained how plants, animals, and humans adapt to their circadian rhythm. Moreover, the circadian clocks in various multicellular organisms, including humans, operate on the exact mechanism. It turns out that the circadian clock, also known as the biological clock, within the physical body during my lifetime pulse in perfect harmony with the rotation of the Earth, maintaining synchronization down to the fraction of a second. Let's share a theory of quantum soul, the immortal soul. Quantum soul, quantum computer with consciousness, a quantum soul perspective proposed by the 2020 Nobel laureate in physics, Sirajo Penrose, and Dr. Stuart Hameroff from the University of Arizona Center for Consciousness Studies. The two proposed that when the quantum ordered state of consciousness within microtubules in neurons collapse, consciousness is compelled to leave the body and return to the energy field of the universe wave function. However, the overall information of the brain is not destroyed, indicating that brain information is fully recorded. The orderly quantum state of the consciousness is lost, forcing it to leave the physical body. Therefore, one can individual successfully reincarnates. The brain information recorded by the Alaya Vijnana consciousness will be fully integrated into the new physical body. This gives rise to the concept of the three lifetimes of destiny: past, present, and future life. The quantum soul theory teaches people that death is merely a transition point in life, where life goes to leave the physical body due to a state of quantum disorder. Upon successful reincarnation, the existing brain information continues into a brand new physical body, initiating a fresh phase of life. In simpler terms, whether quantum order exists or not becomes the pivotal focus of the cycle of the incarnation. Let's share life and death never truly departed. The discovery of the quantum soul, as described above, has contributed to a deeper understanding of the mysteries of the biological clock, indicating that the space inhabited by the living is intricately connected to the rhythm of the universe down to a fraction of a second. The criteria of life and death hinged on whether consciousness within neurons displays a quantum-ordered state. In the realm between life and death, the consciousness recording the actions of an individual's life remains uninterrupted. This demonstrates that life and death are never truly departed. In support of this idea, a classic citation is as follows. In the Anecdotes of Confucius, Discourses of Xinghan, Confucius said, "Time passes swiftly like this, not stopping for day or night." Confucius sighed, realizing that time flies by, and the impermanence of life and death as in the world does not distinguish between day and night. This is because, in essence, life and death are connected as one continuous line. In simpler terms, the only thing that we should appreciate is the present moment. However, what is meant by the present moment? The present moment is not just now, nor is it this very instant. The present moment signifies transcending the constraints of time and space. The supreme means of transcending time and space is the non-duality middle way. The term non-duality middle way not only emphasizes that the universe and all phenomena stem from the same source, allowing for the coexistence of countless and diverse manifestations. It also highlights the non-duality equality, while there is no distinction between the phenomenal world and the ultimate essence. In other words, the non-duality middle way conveys that life and death never truly separate, are variations within the same source and transcendence within transcendence. Therefore, it represents the highest frequency resonance and a transformational golden key for overcoming the sufferings of life. The sufferings experienced by sentient beings originates from the same source, merely projections of different inner attachments, and does not fundamentally exist. This is known as the inconceivable diversity within the emptiness of the same source. The Enlightened Online, forever leading the charm of the times, officially launched overall bilingual broadcast dedicated to enriching every reader worldwide. The Enlightened Online, guiding light for all beings.